Hello there and welcome to the last Lexical Lab 1 minute English video of 2020. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we'll be offering in 2021. 2020, let's face it, has been a long, strange, difficult year. I don't imagine any of you foresaw what was going to happen this year at the start of the year. Because of COVID and because of the switch to online and working from home that many of us have been forced into, it's been a difficult, stressful year. We haven't socialised as much as we wanted to. We've been stuck in Zoom or on Skype or on Microsoft Teams for way more time than most of us were imagining. And we've all been feeling a little bit burnt out and overworked. I know personally that I'm basically running on empty at the moment. I'm on my last legs. I'm feeling drained, and I know for sure that I'm in dire need of a bit of R&R. In this context, R&R doesn't mean rock and roll. It means rest and recreation. In other words, putting your feet up and taking it easy for a while. I'm hoping all of you, wherever you are, manage to get a bit of R&R over the festive period. Because after a year in which we've all worked ourselves into the ground, God knows we're all in need of some R&R. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about what kind of R&R you'll be going in for over the festive period. Look forward to seeing you on the other side and resuming these videos early in 2021. Take care and have a great break.